Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix collaboration on Instagram. So, if you wanna collaborate and you can't do it, so first of all, go to your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is updated. So yeah, you can see I have uh, my Instagram is updated. Okay, now go for settings and click on apps and notifications. Now from here you can search for the Instagram app. So here is mine, and go for storage and cache. From here clear your cache, go back and go to your Instagram. Then if I go for in this plus icon and go for reel, and okay, if I go for this, yeah, go for next, again next, scroll down and go for tag people, and you can invite your friends from here for collaboration. And now you can just go for here, this check mark. So yeah, that's the process. You can fix your collaboration like this. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.